So yeah, as promised, welcome back to a view at the old SkullForge engine editor. You can see it's kind of like Unity. We have like main camera, directional light, and they have different components. You can add, remove components of different types, and you can see we have like color and everything. So that's pretty great. Let's try to right click and add a cube, and it always rotates relative to the camera, which was perhaps not that smart because it's kind of hard to reorient. And you can duplicate the cube like in Unity with the Control D, and you can make them, of course, children of each other. So this is the child moves independent of the parent, and this is the parent. And you can see like everything works like expected. So let's try to load a test scene with some more elements. You can see we have like a space marine and a green and a red light, and we have an animated sprite, and those can be moved as well with just selecting them and rotating them. So that's pretty great. The outline selection is still a bit like wonky, but whatever. You can actually see this model has different meshes, so you can see different materials, different textures. So that's pretty nice as well. Let's look at the primitives. I prepared some scenes so it's faster. And that's the primitives we saw like in the other video. You can see you can select them. They have a box collider attached, so that's what's rendered. You can see we have like per pixel object selection. So that's pretty nice as well. And then of course we have the animation. Same old skeleton. Unfortunately, again, the selection outline is a bit wonky. I never got around to fix that, but yeah. We have two animations loaded, and you can play them independently for the skeleton. And you can also see like the bones here if you want to. That is just like a small fun feature. But again, nice. Then we're gonna look at streaming music playback. I also have a scene for that. So yeah, let's kill that. Then we're gonna make a capsule. Yeah, rotate a bit. Let's add a audio source component to it. Then load an audio source. Again from the test game assets. And let's loop it.
SkullForge, 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 SkullForge,
Position audio working perfectly.
SkullForge, SkullForge.
Let's delete that. And then we're gonna try something fun. Maybe not as practical, but fun. We select the cube, AI generate texture, and mossy dungeon wall. Apply to select object, and then we click generate, and it will call like the OpenAI API to generate a texture and attach to the model. Of course, it can take a while, but it should be here soon. Yeah, maybe not the greatest texture, but hey, it works. So I hope you enjoyed the presentation. And actually, the problem with the old SkullForge engine was I spent all my time doing this editor, and then it started, yeah, there were issues, and then when you fixed something, it broke something else, and you had to fix the engine, and then I just said, I don't want to spend my time doing an editor. I just want to do like an engine to make games. So we'll be back, get back to that when we look into the next generation SkullForge engine, but I hope you enjoyed it, and see you later.